How to clear search history on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to open the Facebook Messenger app in your phone. Click on the three lines which appear at the left top corner. Click on this gear option and you have to scroll this bar. At the last, you have to see account centers and click on your information and permissions here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Click on search history and you can see here there is an option of clear all searches. Click on it. What you want, clear last hour searches, yesterday, all time. I have to click on all time and clear all searches. In this way your search history will be deleted on your Facebook Messenger account. Thank you so much. This procedure is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.